Hello everyone, we're here to talk about networking. Joining me here today is Kevin Iselli.
Hey, Kyle.
Hey Kevin, so the security conversation just keeps coming up and up. Is there a way I can start to secure my devices?
Oh, absolutely. There's a couple of ways that you can deploy security. One common way that we do that is we secure the device itself. We do that through what's called 802.1x. It is a port-based hardware authentication. So imagine anytime I want to gain access to the network itself, whether it's the PC or a component, I can have that device using what's called 802.1x, and it will authenticate through a certificate-based style of communication. It will authorize the device to be on the network. So it's not like I can even be on the network without being authenticated into that environment.
Okay, so it sounds like if I just plug in, I won't even get an address?
Well, it's not that you won't get an address. That's completely up to how the administration staff would do it. I mean, I could set it up where if you don't have a certificate for you, I could put you into a limited use area where you might get, let's say, internet access, but you wouldn't have access to any of the, let's say, corporate features. But yeah, something like that.
Okay, so what else can I do?
So that's a hardware style of security. We also have abilities of doing things, let's say, to the user. So if you have staff that has access to, a number of components and you want to manage that, there's another feature called Active Directory. And what that will do is that will set up the user credentials. And well, not user credentials per se, but if I add you to being able to access that device, I simply just add you as a acceptable user, and then you use the standard username and password, let's say, that you use for your email, and you can get access to the system. This allows me, of course, that I can manage that much easier. Say, for example, you leave the organization. I don't have to go through and change usernames and passwords on all the devices that you had access to. I just remove you from the accessible group, let's say. So I take you out, leave everything all the same, and everything just works much easier.
Okay, so it sounds like, I'll call it hardware group management.
Yeah, think anything that you had access to, if I remove you as a user, it means that I don't have to deploy people out to change usernames and passwords at the individual components. I just remove you and life goes on.
Okay, thanks. That's much clearer.
Yeah, you bet.
All right, so stay tuned for more videos from CTI.